Let's identify some common problems. These often include the app not syncing emails, crashing unexpectedly, failing to load content, exhibiting notification issues, or presenting login errors. We'll address each of these with specific troubleshooting steps in the following sections. The first quick fix for Outlook app issues on Android is to force restart the app and ensure it's updated. Start by completely closing the Outlook app. You can do this by swiping it away from your recent apps or using the Force Stop option in Settings. Next, clear the app's cache to remove any corrupted temporary data. Navigate to your Android settings, then Apps, find Outlook, go to Storage, and tap Clear Cache. This is a safe operation that won't delete your emails or settings. Finally, make sure you're running the latest version of the Outlook app. Open the Google Play Store, search for Outlook, and check if an update is available. Install it if needed. This solves a surprisingly large number of problems by fixing bugs and improving compatibility. Following these steps, force restart, clear cache, and update resolves most Outlook issues on Android devices. If problems persist, try the other quick fixes in this guide. Android requires explicit permission for apps like Outlook to function correctly. Without proper permissions, the app may not sync emails, access contacts, or show notifications. Let's walk through checking and fixing Outlook's permissions. Permissions are essential because they allow Outlook to access the features it needs. For example, contact access helps with email suggestions, storage permissions enable saving emails and attachments, and notification permissions ensure you get alerts for new messages. To check permissions, open your Android settings, tap Apps, find Outlook in the list, then tap Permissions. This screen shows all the permissions Outlook can request. In the Permissions screen, make sure Outlook has access to contacts, storage, and notifications. These are the three most important permissions for Outlook to work properly. The Contacts permission helps with email address suggestions, storage allows saving emails and attachments, and notifications ensure you get alerts. Finally, toggle airplane mode on for a few seconds, then turn it off. This refreshes your network connection and can resolve issues caused by incorrect permissions. If Outlook still doesn't work after checking permissions and resetting the connection, the problem may be elsewhere. If the problem persists after trying previous fixes, consider reinstalling the Outlook app. First, uninstall Outlook from your Android device through the app settings, then re-download it from the Google Play Store to ensure you have the latest version. Alternatively, instead of reinstalling, you can reset your account within the app. Open Outlook, go to Account Settings, remove your current email account, and then add it back. This method is quicker and can resolve issues with corrupted data or incorrect account settings. These methods work because reinstalling clears any corrupted app files, while resetting the account refreshes your configuration. According to user surveys, these steps resolve 70 to 80% of Outlook issues on Android devices. First, verify that your username and password are correct. Login errors often occur due to typos or incorrect credentials. Double-check the email address field and password field in the Outlook app. If you've recently changed your password, the app may still have the old one stored. Go to the app's account settings and update your password to match your current Microsoft account credentials. Network issues are a common cause of login errors. Check that your internet connection is stable and working. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or reset your router if needed. If you're using a VPN, it might be interfering with Microsoft authentication servers. Try disabling your VPN temporarily and attempt to log in again. Some VPN services have specific settings for Microsoft services that need to be enabled. Following these troubleshooting steps should help resolve most login errors in the Outlook app on Android. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to Microsoft support for further assistance. Email syncing keeps your Outlook messages up to date across all your devices. When syncing fails, you might see outdated emails or missing messages. Common causes include network instability, disabled sync settings, or issues with multiple accounts. To manually sync your email, open the Outlook app and either pull down on the inbox screen to refresh or look for a sync icon in the menu. This forces the app to check for new messages immediately. If manual sync doesn't work, check your account settings. Go to the app's settings menu, select your account, and verify that email syncing is turned on. You can also adjust sync frequency if needed. For users with multiple email accounts in Outlook, ensure the correct account is selected when checking sync settings. Each account may have different configurations, so verify them one by one. If these steps don't resolve your syncing issues, consider clearing the app cache or reinstalling Outlook. For persistent problems, check Microsoft's support resources. If Outlook crashes frequently on your Android device, several factors could be at play. The app requires sufficient storage space and memory to function properly. Let's explore the main causes and solutions. One common cause is low storage space. When your device is nearly full, Outlook struggles to save temporary data and may crash during operations, like syncing emails. On mobile devices, this appears as a storage full alert, preventing apps from operating smoothly. To fix this, free up space by deleting unnecessary files, photos, or apps. Go to your device's storage settings and clear out old downloads or unused applications. Another cause is running too many resource-intensive apps in the background. These consume RAM and CPU, leaving insufficient resources for Outlook. On budget phones with limited RAM, like 4 GB or less, this is especially problematic. Outlook may crash when syncing large email volumes or using animations. To resolve this, close other apps running in the background. Force stop unnecessary processes through your device's app manager or recent apps menu. For budget phones, enable light mode in Outlook settings if available. This reduces animations and memory usage, helping prevent crashes by up to 90%. By addressing storage and memory issues, you can significantly reduce Outlook crashes and improve overall app performance. If you're not receiving notifications from the Outlook app on Android, there are several steps you can take to fix this issue. First, open the Outlook app and navigate to its settings menu. Look for the notifications option and make sure it's enabled. This allows the app to send alerts for new emails. Next, check your Android device's system settings. Go to Settings, find the Apps section, select Outlook, and ensure that notifications are allowed in the system-level permissions. Then, check if notifications for Outlook have been accidentally muted. You can do this in your device's sound or notification settings, where you might find options to unmute specific apps. Finally, check your battery optimization settings. Android may restrict background activity for apps to save power, which can prevent notifications from coming through. Go to Settings, Battery Optimization, and exclude Outlook from optimization. Looking ahead, Microsoft is committed to enhancing Outlook's performance on Android devices. Through investments in AI-driven bug detection and unified testing across all Android versions, users can expect a significant reduction in issues. Future updates will seamlessly integrate with Android's adaptive battery feature, optimizing resource usage and improving overall app stability. Outlook is increasingly integrating AI features like Copilot for smart replies and task summaries. This enhances productivity by automating routine tasks. AI integration has reduced some user-reported bugs, with 40% fewer syncing complaints in AI-enabled versions. Features like smart replies help users respond quickly. However, AI features might introduce new bugs, especially on older hardware where AI-generated notifications can fail. Examples include AI-generated email drafts and task summaries, which can streamline workflows but may require compatible hardware. To benefit from these features, keep your Outlook app updated. In the future, AI will help auto-diagnose and fix 70% of bugs by 2027. Email app bugs can lead to significant productivity losses for businesses. In 2025, these issues cost businesses $2.1 billion globally, according to Gartner estimates. Outlook was implicated in 15% of these cases, causing delays and frustration for millions of users. Experts recommend keeping your Outlook app and Android system up to date. This ensures compatibility with the latest features and security patches. Regular updates prevent many common issues before they occur. Regularly clear your cache to free up memory and resolve performance issues. Cache data can accumulate and cause the app to slow down or crash. Manage app permissions carefully. Ensure Outlook has access to necessary features like notifications and storage, but review permissions regularly for security. Monitor your device's performance. Check for low memory or battery issues that could affect Outlook's functionality. Regular maintenance keeps everything running smoothly. Remember, simple fixes are often the most effective. Following these expert recommendations can resolve most Outlook issues on Android without complex troubleshooting. By following these easy solutions and staying informed about the latest updates, you can ensure your Outlook app runs smoothly on your Android device. Don't let technical issues disrupt your productivity. Keep troubleshooting.